I'm Laurie March, Project Manager and Home Improvement Pro, and I'm on the road with Renewal by Andersen all across the country, meeting special folks and seeing their cool projects that open a window into the past and the future. I'm here in Des Moines, Iowa on Living History Farms, which is an interactive museum that teaches people of all ages all about the history of agriculture.
So Living History Farms was created about 50 years ago. We span over 300 years of agricultural history, and we take you back through time, starting at the 1700 farm at the Iowa site, and then the town here is 1875 time period.
Some of our buildings are historic and from their historic locations. Others were built on the property 150 years ago. So even the ones that aren't historic, it's fun to talk about those historic lives within those buildings.
Most of our interpreters are seasonal. They dress in period clothing for the time period.
We want to fit in and look the part, but as interpreters, we know it's the 21st century, and that allows us to interpret the artifacts and tell the story the best way possible.
Ted, these buildings are really old. Tell me what the windows were like before you replaced them.
Dry rotted, paint was coming out, the glazing was falling out. They were in pretty sorry shape.
You don't find a lot of standard windows that look like the windows that are in this church.
This is a true challenge for the Renewal by Andersen people because it is a very specific shape.
They were fabulous to work with and really got it right away and knew what we were looking for, and the installation and the restoration work that they did was just phenomenal.
These windows are perfect. They're tinted to keep the ultraviolet rays out. They're double paned gas glass, so we get a lot better insulation factor from them.
At a glance, I'm looking at them and they don't really look new.
I'm trying to bring some more modern products in that look old.
One of the things that we love to do is to tie modern events and activities to the past. We do weddings. Part of our mission is to celebrate rural traditions and to create memories that last a lifetime for people.
I feel most responsible for telling the story of the past, mostly because we've faced so many hardships over the course of history that even though some of those hardships are gone away now, we still need to be appreciative of what our ancestors gave up in order to make our lives better today.